Previously on the Traveling Tinces.
We are on the Olympic Peninsula at Lake Crescent.
Oh my gosh, it is breathtaking.
I think we missed it. I was too in awe. Sometimes you're like too in awe to get the shot, right? I'm just like, it's like, oh, nice and overcast though today. Not too bad. 0.6. Yeah, next left. It's the library. You want to go to the library? You got to go to the visitor info center and find out. That's coming up right here on the left.
Yeah, we're winging it, Tinces.
All right. Do we want a campground or we just want to be on limit? Well, let's go drive. Let's go. We'll go check it out. All right, turn left to quarter mile. That's where we're going. We're going to the spruce tree.
Yeah, this is gonna
Largest spruce tree in the world.
Here?
Yep. That's what we're going to go see. Are you excited?
Super excited. Right, left?
Yep.
Here.
Yep.
Got it?
Yep.
I can see
the
the water
lake.
to our left.
Yeah, the lake is to our left. I was like, can you see the lake?
Oh, look at this. Pretty. So pretty.
Okay, it says 0.6 miles on the left.
Is the campground?
Yeah, is Willoughby Campground. That's the first one. I think that's a walk-in federal campground. See, Rainforest Nature Trail. So there's a nature trail we can go hike. That was one of the trails. God, this is beautiful, isn't it?
Gorgeous. It's gorgeous, gorgeous, Tinces.
On the left, right? 300 feet. I don't see a campground. Do you?
So, oh, here it is.
Okay, if a site is not reserved and is available for the night, use a self-service pay station for walk-ins. So there might be walk-ins available. We'll
so
just drive the loop. It's just a giant loop. So we'll drive the loop, and if there's none, we'll keep going. Right? The universe shall provide where we need to be. Reserved through the 14th. So what's our date?
13th.
So we could reserve it. What about this? Oh, reserved through the 14th. I couldn't find how to book these. Yeah, I couldn't find a spot to reserve it. Reserved through 714. Reserved through 714. I think we need to like forest road it tonight or something. I don't know.
Look at this tree, man. That's amazing. Go, Gladys, go. Go, Gladys, go. Yes, sir. Are we back to the beginning?
Yep. It's all good.
Okay, the next one.
Okay, next one is, just keep going. Half mile maybe?
Am I looking for the lodge?
Yeah, the Lake Quinault Lodge.
That's the next thing is the lodge.
Yeah, it's
I
like
should see it.
like a half mile on the left.
Look at these blue flowers, man. How pretty is that?
Oh wow, is that like, were they chrysanthemums or?
Chrysanthemums. I don't know.
Entering Quinault. Okay, 400 feet, 350 feet.
Sorry.
This thing on the left, 200 feet.
Mapono. Till we find out what we're doing.
Maybe we need to keep going. I think my GPS is like behind. Like Quinault Lodge.
So we're gonna go in here? Is that what we're gonna do?
Maybe check things out, ask around, or let's just keep driving. There's a lot of people.
Yeah. So
What do you think?
Yeah, okay.
There's another campground up the road by the world's largest tree.
Okay.
I have no idea where we're going. I'm not gonna lie.
You said there's another campground up here?
Let's go see the tree.
It says, sorry, campground full.
Where?
Right here.
Okay, so that was the other campground. So there's one more.
For sale, you can buy this house.
Okay, there's another campground coming up here on the left, Gatton Creek. And I think there's an RV park at the end. So you're gonna see a big spruce trailhead on your left by the Rainforest Resort Village. The big spruce Sitka is the tree we want to see, and the Rainforest Village is the place where we want to try to stay for the night. Rainforest Resort Village.
Oh, really?
Well, it might be an RV. No, this isn't the RV park. The RV park's got to be further, but
I would say, yeah, this is probably not. It's just a
yeah, right here,
restaurant.
31 RV sites in office and store.
Here is our camp spot for the evening in Quinault. And there be glady. Like, this place is empty, like nobody's here. This is awesome. I think it's only $35 a night here, so it's like amazing. Like, no one's here. It's pretty chill. It's a Saturday. We're chilling. And there's Lake Quinault right there. Ding. Oh, my Tinces.
We made it. We're at Lake Quinault, and it's, as you can imagine, so freaking beautiful. We're just so grateful.
Oh, my laptop. Beautiful are those. And that. Oh, teensy. Oh, my teens eating some lunch. What? This is our trailhead we're taking back from the lodge to
Oh no,
our
we're on the wrong
Oh.
trailhead.
Teensy's saying we're on the wrong trailhead.
We do not want to take this trail. It adds another 0.8 miles. We want this trail. We're here. We want to be here. We got to go past the Mercantile. We want this one right here, this point forks, and we grab this and come around.
So it's past the other side of the
Actually,
Mercantile.
we go like this. So this is how we're gonna go. Ready? We're gonna go down here.
Ding, 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 ding.
And
Whoa, whoa.
then here.
You forgot about the loop-de-loop right here.
Oh.
Right.
And then here.
Right.
To get home.
Alright, let's do it.
So we gotta go to the right of the Mercantile.
Let's do it, Teensy. You know where we're going? Teensy, you know where we're going?
Yep.
Let's do it. Here's the right trailhead we think we're on, and as Mary's so boldly taking. There goes the tank. There goes my Tincy, walking in the rainforest. That is a piece of ginormous dead wood. So my Tinces is up here waiting on me because I've been filming her. She keeps getting further and further ahead, but I gotta say, as we hike this is yet another amazing piece of rainwood, or what is it called? Rainforest. Rainwood rainforest. It's all amazing. But yeah, this is awesome. This is absolutely beautiful. We're about to run into some falls apparently, so we shall video that when we get to them. Thanks.
We're in the Quinault Rain Forest on the Olympic Peninsula. For those of you who didn't know, we have a rainforest in the United States. We have at least 2 of them, if not maybe 3 or more, but they are amazing. Temperate old growth, like phenomenal. And we're on a river. I'm not sure the river, but it doesn't matter. It's beautiful.
So at Tequamanen Falls last year, there was a ton of mosquitoes. I don't know if you remember that, but
We do.
here they're just as bad. Oh my God. Over by the creeks and the brooks are super, super bad, so, but a lot of fun. Here we are coming up on the fall. Here we go. Oh my God, how beautiful is that? Let me turn the camera around. Here's the lovely Cascade Falls we hiked up to. There's the teens enjoying them. And they come back down here. Beautiful.
This is gonna be my front door of my hobbit house someday. So gorgeous.
Now that is a tree root of a fallen tree on the path. But this is absolutely gorgeous. It's unbelievable. Even if you can see the scenery behind me going by, it's just like The Hobbit. It's like every movie as a kid you grew up watching, and just all the amazingness. It's so thankful. There's wild blueberries here in the thing. Pretty amazing, huh, Tinsy?
So amazing.
And there's a wild Tinsy up here on the trail. Here we are, what is it called, Tinsy?
Gatton Creek Falls.
Gatton Creek Falls. You can kind of see it down there. I'll zoom in a little bit. It's quite spectacular.
This is incredible. Look at the water slide right into the thing.
Absolutely gorgeous. Found yet another hull of moss. Hey.
Not a technical one, but just.
Oh, my Atlanta. This trail has been just breathtakingly beautiful. Yeah. Look at the canopy of trees above us. It's just unbelievable. And beauty must too.
It's one of the 6 champion trees in the Quinault Valley. The trees in the Quinault Rain Forest are well watered with an average rainfall of 12 feet a year.
Tinsy, where are you?
I'm sitting on the world's largest spruce tree. Where was that place we saw that giant spruce tree? Was that Oregon? That must be the one that gives it a run for its money.
Yeah. We're at the base of the world's largest spruce tree. I'm inside of it.
Between the roots.
I'm inside the roots.
The roots are bigger than you.
I know, this thing's huge. So here is the world's largest spruce tree, right? I know it's hard to see, but the awesome part about it is that there's the world's largest spruce tree, and there be Gladys. We're spending the night right at the base of this thing.
Amazing.
So here is Gladys in her full chill mode setup with the chairs out front. Let's see, we got this. Hey, Tink. Got the screen up, and the Pessy is enjoying an afternoon slumber in the sun.
Next time on The Traveling Tinces.
What do you think, Tince?
It's pretty cool, Tince.
How pretty that is.